What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, Rosas Ivan posted on Instagram a sweet photo of her and her boyfriend Adek. The two look so happy and sweet, like they're in the honeymoon. As you can see, the NY couple are in matchy-matchy clothes. Adek Mia was also shared on Instagram the beautiful view of the place. It shows sunset in the afternoon. On Instagram post, Mami Mikao posted on Instagram a cute photo of her son Ade. Mami Mikao says with the caption, "Who are you taking this photo?" And guess who says sends it. Then my couple was also got a matchy Christmas nail polish. As you can see, it was a cute reindeer and all of the stuffs on Christmas decoration. Then my couple looked so happy spending time together. And many fans looked so happy commented to the post and dissing to the NY couple.